Hey guys, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? My name is Love Gupta. I have secured an All India 6th rank in SSC CGL 2015 examination. In this video, I'll be dealing with a comprehensive daily plan that I used to follow while preparing for the Tier 2 of the examination. You can follow the same plan according to your own needs, according to your own availability of time that you have. So, here is some basic information about me. I have done my graduation from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. These are some of the exams that I have cleared prior to SSC CGL, and you can follow me in the given link. So without wasting any time, let us start this video. So the basic objective of this video is how to develop a comprehensive plan for daily utilization of time, जितना भी टाइम आपके पास है, for Tier 2 of the examination. See, not much time is left for the Tier 2 of the examination, and if you can utilize most of our time, then that will be the most beneficial portion of our preparation, because this is the crux. Tier 2 is the main, I believe, the main tier of SSC CGL examination, because Tier 1 keeps you in the race and Tier 2 helps you win that race. So there are two basic assumptions that I'm following while preparing this video. One of the assumptions is that you have a whole day for preparation. कहीं कोई job नहीं कर रहे हो आप लोग, और कोई there is the second assumption is that there is no other major objective to be achieved at this moment. भाई किसी की शादी वगैरह तो नहीं होनी है अभी, होनी है तो यार 1 महीने के लिए पोस्टपोन कर दो. अगर और कोई प्लान है, कहीं घूमने जाना है, तो उसको भी पोस्टपोन कर दो, क्योंकि लाइफ डिसाइडिंग एग्ज़ाम है यार. यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ क्लास बी, क्लास बी ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स. सो at least 1 month you can devote, and I believe you people must be having 1 month at least. So let us see what we can do. So here is the timetable. See, this is how I started. See, I used to do the English part in the morning, because इंग्लिश करने में यार बहुत नींद आती है. OWS, वन वर्ड सब्सटीट्यूट्स, दीज ईडियम फ्रेजेस, दीज सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स, ये मुझे बहुत पकाते थे यार. सो मॉर्निंग में होता क्या, माइंड थोड़ा फ्रेश होता है, तो 1.5 घंटे में उस माइंड को एग्जॉस्ट कर लो, क्योंकि दिन में तो ऑलरेडी एग्जॉस्टेड होता है. और क्योंकि मैथ्स करने में आई यूज़ टू फील कंफर्टेबल वाइल डूइंग मैथ्स, सो आई यूज़ टू पिक अप दैट मैथ्स पोर्शन ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. ये दिन का टाइम जो होता है बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार काटना, क्योंकि आपने लंच करा एंड आफ्टर लंच यू आर अ बिट स्लीपी. सो आपको नींद भी आ रही है, बट यू हैव टू स्टडी एज वेल. सो वाई नॉट स्टडी समथिंग दैट यू आर फैमिलियर विद, दैट यू एन्जॉय डूइंग, और in case you are comfortable with English more than maths, so do English at this time. This is the time that you need to devote to the portion you are more comfortable with. So this is my strategy. Morning 8 to 8:30, go for synonyms and antonyms from S.V. Bakshi. You must have seen that video of mine. There is another video in which I have recommended the books. From 8:30 to 9, go for OWS, one word substitutes from MB Publications, and from 9 to 9:30 go for idioms phrases from MB Publications only. So once you have done all this, from 9:30 to 10, take a break, बाहर जाओ, have a cup of tea, थोड़ा घूम के आओ, आँखों को रेस्ट दो. From 10 to 10:30, revise all the rules from plinth to paramount. Rules from nouns, adjectives, conjunctions, narration, voices, and all those chapters. And 10:30 के बाद भी थोड़ा बाहर जाओ, ब्रेक लो, क्योंकि अब 2 घंटे का एक सेशन है. That 2 hours are to be spent on MB publications, and you have to do all the previous year sets. 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. I believe 120 minutes में यार आप around say for starting you can do at least 50 question sets, 20 minutes for each set. And I know 20 minute आप में से कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा लगेगा, कुछ लोगों को कम लगेगा, but eventually as you will progress you will improve that timing. आप इसको eventually अपने आप कम ले आओगे. In 120 minutes you will be doing, I believe, you see, I used to take only 10 minutes to do a 50 question set. So in 120 minutes you can do 12 sets, and even if you are evaluating your set you can do say 10 sets or so. So when you have done that, अब भूख वगैरह लगी होगी यार, जाके लंच कर जाओ. 1 to 2 have a lunch break, and 2 to 5 as I said, आपने लंच किया है, you must be feeling sleepy. So आप आपको नींद भी आ रही है बट आपको पढ़ना भी है. सो आई वॉज कंफर्टेबल विद मैथ्स, सो आई यूज्ड किरण's publications book 7100 plus, and not 1700 7100 plus. At my time it was 5800. So I used that book. I used to solve questions side by side. I used to look at my notes क्योंकि उसमें भी काफ़ी अच्छे questions थे. And if you people have some notes of your own, you can go through those notes during this time. Now 5 to 7, take any test for maths. There are some websites that are providing free online tests these days, and as the mode of examination is also online, so take only online tests, not other tests. See, depends upon you. If you are facing more problems in English portion, take the English test. If you are facing more problems in the maths portion, take the maths test. Or you can do one thing, one day you take maths, one day English, alternate days, alternate subjects. So that is how you can prepare. And when there are only 15 days left for the examination, you need to just shuffle a bit of time. So morning 8 to 9:30, vocabulary portion will remain the same, idiom phrases, one word substitutes and synonyms, antonyms. And after that 9:30, take a break, go for a walk, आंखें ठीक कर लो, अपनी आंखें बंद करके बैठ जाओ थोड़ी देर, या फिर हैव अ कप ऑफ टी. 10 to 12, take an online maths test, क्योंकि I believe SSC also takes the same time for conducting the examination, and if you are following the same time, so you get used to that time and your mind start working at that time. So when you will be sitting in the actual examination hall, आपका माइंड उस टाइम पे मैथ्स के लिए काम करना स्टार्ट कर जाएगा. एंड 12 to 2, टेक इंग्लिश ऑनलाइन टेस्ट. yes, you can go for that. सीधा सीधा जा सकते हो. एंड 2 to 3, हैव अ लंच ब्रेक, क्योंकि यार इतना करने के बाद माइंड एग्जॉस्ट हो जाता है. डू नॉट इवेल्यूएट योर टेस्ट. when I say do not evaluate your test, I mean do not evaluate it just after you have completed it. बाद में कभी कर लेना, शाम के टाइम, इवनिंग में, after 7. I believe for 15 days you can devote a bit of more time. So from 3 to 3:30, again come back to Plinth to Paramount, revise all the rules. 3:30 to 5, that book again, MB Publications. And 5 to 7, Kiran's publication 7100 plus, or your maths notes. So this is a clear cut timetable that you can follow, and believe me, if you are following this timetable, you do not have to do anything else. 7 बजे के बाद, as I said, you can evaluate your tests that you have taken in the morning time, and it won't take more than an hour or so. So at 8 you will be free. So 8 to 8 कहने में आसान लगता है, करने में बहुत मुश्किल है. 12 घंटे बैठना मुश्किल तो नहीं है, बट मुश्किल है. मुश्किल उन लोगों के लिए है जो एग्ज़ाम क्लियर नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट जो क्लियर करना चाहते हैं वो 12 नहीं 14 घंटे ही बैठ के पढ़ते हैं. So it depends upon you. You can devote at least 15 days of your life for an exam that will decide your life. So do let me know in the comment section whether you liked this video, you did not like this video, what else can be added, what else can be suggested to other aspirants. So do let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Have an awesome day. Thanks.